Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the best drawing tablets, perfect for artists, designers, and creatives of all skill levels. Whether you're sketching, animating, or working on digital art, these tablets offer precision, pressure sensitivity, and smooth workflows to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in and find the perfect tool for your creativity. And as always, all product links are in the description below. Number 5. XPPen Artist Pro 16x3 Stylus. For creatives who demand precision and style, the XPPen Artist Pro 16 delivers a seamless blend of innovative features and stunning design. This 15.4-inch drawing tablet stands out with its exceptional display, ergonomic tools, and cutting-edge technology, making it a must-have for digital artists, designers, and educators. Unparalleled visual quality. The 133% sRGB color gamut and 94% NTSC coverage ensure your artwork comes to life with vibrant, true-to-life colors. Paired with a 1920 by 1080 FHD resolution, the full laminated IPS display offers dazzling clarity and reduces parallax for pinpoint accuracy. With anti-glare technology, it creates a paper-like drawing experience, reducing eye strain for longer creative sessions. Number 4. Huion Kamvas Pro 24/4K. For those who demand precision and brilliance in their creative tools, the Huion Kamvas Pro 24/4K delivers exceptional performance and unmatched visual fidelity. Designed with professionals in mind, this 23.8-inch drawing monitor combines cutting-edge features with an intuitive design, making it a game-changer for artists, designers, and animators. A visual masterpiece. The 4K UHD resolution provides unparalleled detail, ensuring every pixel of your artwork shines. With quantum dot technology and a 140% sRGB color gamut, the Kamvas Pro 24/4K offers vibrant greens, rich reds, and deep blacks, delivering a color experience that feels lifelike. The 1.07 billion colors, 8-bit plus high FRC, and HDR technology elevate your creations with stunning accuracy and dynamic range. Number 3. XPPen Artist 22 R Pro. For digital artists and designers seeking a seamless blend of performance and functionality, the XPPen Artist 22 R Pro is a standout choice. This 21.5-inch pen display is designed to enhance creativity with its high-quality display, advanced controls, and versatile compatibility, making it a valuable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Vivid display for precise work. The Artist 22 R Pro boasts a 21.5-inch HD LCD screen with 1080p resolution, offering vibrant visuals and crisp details. Its 120% sRGB color gamut ensures accurate, lifelike color representation, perfect for intricate designs, illustrations, and photo editing. The display's full laminated technology minimizes parallax, allowing you to draw with unmatched precision and clarity. Number 2. Wacom Cintiq Pro 24. For professional artists, designers, and animators, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 is the gold standard in digital drawing tablets. Featuring a stunning 4K display, exceptional color accuracy, and Wacom's industry-leading pen technology, this 24-inch creative pen display is built to handle the most demanding creative workflows with precision and ease. Unmatched pen performance. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 offers an incredibly natural drawing experience with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and virtually lag-free tracking. Combined with etched glass technology, it provides the perfect level of friction, mimicking the feel of drawing on real paper. Whether you're sketching, shading, or detailing, the accuracy and control are second to none. Brilliant 4K display with superior color accuracy. With a 3840 by 2160 4K resolution, every stroke and detail is displayed with razor-sharp clarity. Number 1. Gaomon M10K Pro. The Gaomon M10K Pro is a versatile, feature-packed graphic tablet that offers professional-level performance at an affordable price. Whether you're a budding artist, a seasoned creator, or someone exploring digital art for fun, This 10x 6.25-inch tablet provides the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. Smooth and natural drawing experience. Equipped with a battery-free stylus, AP32, boasting 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 266 pps report rate, the M10K Pro ensures smooth, precise, and lag-free strokes. The tilt function adds an extra layer of realism. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.